Welcome. It is a pleasure to greet you. My name is Eddie Reyes, and I'd like to introduce to you my friend Natalie.
Hi guys.
Natalie will be helping with the presentation of this course. And also pay attention to when Natalie races the blackboard. You see, it's really a magic blackboard. And we'll tell you why in a bit. So Natalie, we'll see you in a bit.
Yeah.
So why this course? How is this course different? This is a step-by-step approach to the 1 hour written essay portion of the California bar exam. Cuts to the chase. In order to pass the bar, you need to learn techniques. And here's how you develop techniques. You do so by application and by repetition. Also, a quick note. At the end of the lecture, Natalie may or may not give you a quick test. I know. You guys are like, oh no, not a test. We already have enough of that. But don't worry. The test is 1 or 2 questions long, and you may or may not have a quick quiz at the end. And besides, Natalie will highlight the answers when she races her little blackboard. That's why it's a magic blackboard. So I encourage you to write down the words that appear on that blackboard. In law school, they play hide the ball with the students. You ever play hide the ball? That's when the professors hide the answers from the law students. This course is just the opposite. We highlight the answers and even serve them on a silver platter. Also, we will use stage props. On my first day of law school, my real property professor used a bundle of foam sticks and then passed them out to some students. And then he asked, what bundle of rights do real property title holders have? And I remember that. So we will also use stage props. It is my hope that they will also make a memorable impression. My objective is to have you pass the bar exam, and I would do whatever it takes to achieve that goal. A quick background on the bar exam. To pass the bar, you have to learn to write a certain way. This certain way is of an esoteric nature. The problem is that in law school and in most bar review courses, they do not teach you techniques. Instead, they just teach theory. And that's fine. However, the activities in this course go a step beyond theory. It goes into the area of application. Most courses offer lectures without application. Studies find that when listening to someone speak or when you are asked to read, you learn about 10 to 20% of what is being taught. Think about it, 10 or 20%. However, 90% of your learning comes from simulating the real thing. In this case, it comes from doing practice exams that have been released by the State Bar of California. Application is how people have always learned, and this course is designed with application as a priority. And I'm going to take a step back to emphasize the importance of application. Again, Natalie's going to help. You see, she enjoys surfing. When she was first learning how to surf, her teacher kept saying, Natalie, stay low, after she would pop up. And guess what? She did not stay low. And I know because I was there. And I know it sounds simple, right, to stay low, but it's not as simple as it sounds. Why? Because before you are supposed to stay low, you have to consider other things. For example, the speed and the size of the wave, your balance, the motion and placement of your arms and your legs, the arch of your back, your actual pop-up, and even other surfers. In some, it's easy to forget to stay low. But Natalie was able to stay low after much application of techniques and repetition. Although this is not a surf lesson course, I'm sure you can appreciate how important the application will be in preparing to take the bar exam. Here are some things you can expect from this course. We'll use the IRAC method, and the heavy focus will be placed on identifying and analyzing major issues. You cannot pass the bar without these skills. And we'll also place an emphasis on performing major issue analysis. The 2 numerical items above are the pillars for success on the exam. And this course is designed with this in mind. The best approach for this course, apply these 3 steps. Number 1, print the notes. Number 2, view the course. And number 3, begin writing practice essays. After you have done this, repeat steps 2 and 3 above. This means that you will review this course again. And it is during the second The second view, where you will understand your strong and your weak points. But more importantly, during the second view is where you will eliminate your weak areas, and you will write in a lawyer-like manner as required to pass the exam. As a last point, this is the most important course you will take to pass the bar. I feel so certain about this that there is a no questions 30-day money-back guarantee. So don't forget to give me a high rating. With this said, get pumped. Let's begin.